Okay, so if you were to recommend a infrastructure solution,
Mhm.
what would it be?
It depends where you are. Yung parating lang pinapausapan nyo sa reclamation. No? I always make the analogy na if you have this water coming from doon na sa Rojas Boulevard. So if you have the sea right away along Rojas Boulevard, maybe that was way back in the 60s, wala pa yung reclamation sa SMOA and CCP, wala pa yun. Yung tubig, pag tumalon doon sa Rose Boulevard, there's a very wide river that gets to Manila Bay. So nakatalon na agad. Now you reclaim. Nagkaroon ka ng reclamation. So in a flatland, it takes more time and farther away from the sea para tatakbo yung tubig. So magkaroon sila mga waterways this way. Parang mga fingers of channels. But some reclamations don't do it that way. If you go to Florida, if you go to even San Francisco or San Jose, meron mga reclamation doon. Ang reclamation nila, kung ito yung coast, i-reclaim lang dito na area, pero dito na part, channel pa rin. Pagkatapos to go across that, meron mga bridges. So yung main channel mo ay yung pinaka-waterway mo connects the reclaim area, which is an island, to the mainland. Do we do that? We don't do that, di ba? If you go to Holland, it's the same thing, some of those. You go to yung kay Donald Trump na Mar-a-Largo, ganun yun. Naka-uslay. Kaya in between, tatakbo yung tubig, walang problema. Because we go to the sea, di ba?
Yeah, sa madaling salita, Doc,
That's
the
a
way the
solution.
Manila Bay reclamation is being done will worsen flooding sa palagay ninyo.
Yes, because yun na sinabi ni Tony Loizaga during the hearing, kasi nga, kinat mo na yung natural waterways na it's an open, big, wide Rojas Boulevard. Pero kung lagay mo ng kanal doon, mag-bridge ka papunta sa kabilang side, wala, parang hindi ganun yung reclamation mo. It will not adversely impact yung pag-discharge ng tubig from the inland to the sea. Dapat
So
yung
dapat ang design ng project may daanan yung Pasig River.
it will be like an
Doon sa
island.
gitna ng reclaimed area.
Magkaroon ng island doon. Yung reclaim area is an island. Tapos meron mga bridges. You look at some areas sa Louisiana, sa Florida, ganun ang pag-reclaim nila. Naiwan doon sa gitna. Tapos nakalabas pa na sea. So, in other words, kung ito yung Rose Boulevard, dito, meron kang reclamation. Sa gitna, open yung na canal towards the sea. About a year ago, I think, there was flooding in Rojas after they built yung whatever yung Dolomite na beach, Tapos meron na problema yung pumping and so on. Kasi nga, nireclaim mo na yung area na yon. Pero dapat nilagay mo ng waterway in between. Parang cut-off channel, so to speak. All the way to the sea. So walang problema kung na gano'n.
So bakit nga hindi kinonsider yun? Matagal na yung problema natin ng pagbabaha.
If I were to think about flood control, those are things that if you run a digital twin nung area na yan, you could see this scenario. If you do this, if you do that, what happens? So walang mga ganun sa atin. We don't do that. We don't vet it, so to speak. Kung ano yung mangyari sa flood dynamics. Now, if you look at other areas, one of the things I've been advocating dito sa Marikina River, where the water coming from Sierra Madre and then going down to Marikina City all the way to Pasay, or Pasig River, all the way to Manila, it's just so much because we are humitropic. So how do we control that? Can you move the water from the mountains all the way to the other side right away? Which is, in the case of Kuala Lumpur, they diverted the water. This is the Klang River watershed. Instead of going to Kuala Lumpur, dinivert nila dito. Sa Iloilo, we have this Haro River o Jaro River, dumadaan rin niya sa Iloilo City. They diverted this way. They put a channel that goes right to the sea. We can do that. In fact, I've been suggesting Cagayan de Oro, same thing. There's a area there na pwede mo i-divert coming from Mount Kitanglad in Bukidnon, goes down to Cagayan River, Cagayan de Oro City, instead of pupunta doon sa Ipunan River. So it will avoid the big city na wala ka na magawa. Kasi nandun na yan. Ang dami na talagang development. You cannot remove them. Now, there are schemes in Marikina River where, of course, in 1982, we built the Mangahan Floodway, di ba? Where from Marikina River, we diverted through Mangahan Floodway to be temporarily stored sa Laguna Lake. And part of that supposedly overall flood control scheme is that because you have now put so much water in Laguna Lake, and Napindan is a very small channel to evacuate the waters right away, magkaroon ng Parañaque Spillway. Pero hindi na nagawa yun kasi very urban na yung area na yan. So merong scheme yan yung World Bank na study in 2010. Somewhere in Muntinlupa, you dig a hole all the way down 30 meters below, a tunnel, and then 30 meters na hole na naman, parang butas na yan, to pump it out to Manila Bay. But definitely that's a very not a good idea because sediments will come in, garbage can get in, and then you have to pump it on the other side. That's very expensive. And then part of the World Bank plan is to put a spillway, they call it also a spillway, somewhere in Pakil, Pakil, that area. If you look at the lake, merong 3 lobes na ganito. There's the west lobe, meron ka central, pagkatapos yung east lobe, which is somewhere is Halahala and all the way to Pacific Ocean. But that's Laguna Lake level. Maybe it can go up mga 3-4 meters of sea level. Move it almost 22 kilometers to the right side. It will hardly move the water from that point all the way 22 kilometers away. Kaya iniisip ko, somewhere in Marikina, a little bit upstream of Marikina Dam, put a tunnel all the way to Kaliwa River. Somewhere in Kaliwa Low. That's about 25 kilometers, 26 kilometers. So pwedeng ganun sana, isang scheme yan.
What would this be, Doc? This would be a tunnel, parang spillway din, galing sa watershed, heading to the Kaliwa River. And then ang exit niya, Pacific na.
It will be in Kaliwa River. Kaliwa River goes to Agos and then goes to Pacific Ocean.
Okay.
Kung diretso natin,
so parang diversion, ida-divert mo yung floodwaters, yung agos ng
just
tubig.
like Haro River, we diverted it. Or yung River Klang na river, which is the smart tunnel, stormwater and road tunnel sa Kuala Lumpur, dinivert mo lang. Pinadiretso mo instead of dadaan pa ng Marikina. Pero sa atin na case, i-divert natin on the other side instead of on the other sideways lang bale. Sa atin, opposite way.